Crash gambling is one of the fastest-growing online betting games because it combines strategy, risk, and the potential for high payouts. But to win consistently, you need to understand exactly how the game works and how to make smart betting decisions. In this video, we will break down the mechanics of TrustDice Crash game, walk you through the best strategies, and explain how you can increase your chances of success while minimizing risk. By the end, you will be ready to play like a pro and make the most out of every round. Let us get started. Crash is a simple yet highly engaging gambling game where players bet on a multiplier that starts at 1.0 and increases over time. When the round starts, the multiplier begins climbing. Players can cash out at any time to lock in their winnings. If the multiplier crashes before a player cashes out, they lose their entire bet. The key to success in Crash is knowing when to cash out. Wait too long and you might lose everything. Cash out too early and you might leave money on the table. Understanding the balance between risk and reward is essential. Knowing when to cash out is the most important skill in Crash gambling. If you cash out early at a low multiplier, you will win small amounts consistently. If you hold for a high multiplier, you could win big, but the risk of crashing is greater. A safe strategy for new players is to use auto cash out at a low multiplier, such as 1.5 or 2.0. This helps lock in profits while avoiding frequent crashes. More experienced players may choose to cash out manually based on game trends or gut instinct, but this requires discipline and patience. Let us go over 3 proven strategies to increase your chances of winning on TrustDice Crash game. Strategy 1. The low-risk consistency method. Set your auto cash out between 1.5 and 2.0. Use small, steady bets rather than going all in on a single round. Focus on long-term profits rather than chasing high multipliers. This strategy works well for players who want to keep their bankroll safe and avoid big losses. Strategy 2. The 2-bet system. Place 2 bets at the same time, one low risk and one high risk. The first bet cashes out early, while the second aims for a much higher multiplier. This method helps balance risk and reward while still allowing for occasional big wins. This system requires proper bankroll management but can be very effective for skilled players. Strategy 3. The martingale system. Start with a small bet, and if you lose, double your bet on the next round. Keep doubling until you win, then reset to the original bet. This strategy guarantees a profit eventually, but it can be risky if you hit a long losing streak. The martingale system works best when combined with a stop-loss limit to prevent losing too much in one session. Many players make critical mistakes that cause them to lose money in Crash games. Chasing losses by increasing bet sizes without a plan. Holding on too long instead of securing steady profits. Ignoring bankroll management and betting recklessly. Playing emotionally instead of sticking to a strategy. By avoiding these mistakes, you can improve your chances of long-term success. One of the unique benefits of playing Crash on TrustDice is the play-to-mine feature, which allows you to earn TXT tokens while gambling. Every bet you place, whether you win or lose, contributes to mining TXT tokens. These tokens can be used for staking, trading, or converting to real money. This means you can earn extra rewards simply by playing the game. This feature adds long-term value to your gambling experience, allowing you to benefit even when you are not winning. Winning in Crash gambling is all about making smart decisions. Use a solid strategy that fits your risk level. Always manage your bankroll carefully. Know when to cash out and do not get greedy. Take advantage of TrustDice Play-to-Mine feature for extra rewards. If you are ready to apply these strategies, click the link in the description to start playing TrustDice Crash game today. Your next big win could be just one round away.